Calendly is an intuitive scheduling tool that helps you organize appointments without the hassle of back-and-forth emails. Here's a beginner's guide to using Calendly effectively. Create an account. Start by visiting the Calendly website and signing up for a free account. You can sign up using your email address or connect with Google or Microsoft accounts. Connect your calendar. Once logged in, connect your existing calendar to ensure your availability syncs automatically. This prevents double bookings and keeps your schedule organized. Set up event types. In your Calendly dashboard, create different event types based on the meetings you want to offer. Customize each event by setting the duration, location, and any specific questions for invitees. Define availability. Specify your available days and times for each event type. Calendly will only show these slots to invitees, streamlining the booking process. Share your link. Once set up, share your unique Calendly link via email, social media, or your website. Invitees can easily book a meeting with you by selecting an available time. Manage appointments. After bookings, you will receive notifications, and your calendar will automatically update. You can easily reschedule or cancel appointments through your dashboard.